MacG, my bro.
Yeah, what up, man?
I'm good, G. I'm good. But
Okay.
you know how it is. Unless it's good.
Everything's okay, brah. And you?
Yeah, we are getting there.
Yeah, ne?
We are getting there.
After the toothache, yeah, everything is well and jack, yeah. We are back.
At least.
Yeah.
But you're feeling good.
Yeah, man. Yeah. I'm okay.
That's
Good.
good. Yeah.
But I'm okay.
You're getting there.
I
I have something in Fakapam, but yeah. What can we say, man?
They don't
It
want
is
us
what
to
it
work.
is.
They don't want us to work. All right. We are working. We are back.
They're working under carpet. They're
Yeah,
doing their own thing. But anyway, good morning, good afternoon, good evening
I'm
to
chilling.
everybody out there.
Yeah,
And
yeah,
welcome to the XYZ Podcast.
Yeah, man. This is your boy Drix.
And my name is Zeus.
Yeah, man. We are back with the 9th episode.
9. Yo, fun, we are at the number 1, the 99 now.
Yeah.
Like the 9th episode now. That is a really good achievement, in fun. I'm proud of ourselves, in fun.
Yeah,
Proud of
man.
ourselves.
Yeah.
That is a nice achievement.
But yeah, we are there.
Well,
Yeah,
but yeah, it's been. I think we skipped a week ago without
okay.
working. Yeah, we were having some few challenges, but yeah, we're back. We're
Yeah.
back. We were challenged with a lot of stuff, but we're back. We're here. We're gonna give you content, and yeah, XYZ Podcast.
Yeah, and you should put guys.
Yeah,
They're asking themselves, so, hey, where those niggas at? But yeah, we're back in bed. Like, yeah. Hey, no door, yeah, guys. It was
Hey,
cold.
Fitch.
Hey.
Yo.
Yeah, but yeah, we are back and yeah, we are ready to work.
Yeah.
And yeah, are you ready?
I'm ready. Let's do this.
Right?
Let's fight. All right. What I like about this week, there's been albums that have been dropping.
Hey.
So I'm proud of South Africans just dropping albums. The ones that I'm gonna talk about, I think there's like 2, and then there's one that's coming up. So the first one that I'm gonna talk about is the Frank one.
Yo.
The Frank Casino album by Design, which is a good album. And then the second one is the 25K one, which is a good album also.
25,000.
Alman. Which one do you want to talk about first? The 25 pickup Frank.
Yeah, man, let's talk about the Frank's one first.
All right,
Yeah,
Frank.
yeah, let's talk about it. Even though I game, I mean, like our book,
The whole thing.
listening to it, like, off your but yeah, by just listening to it, like right now, after a long while, I released an album.
Yeah.
I guess, if I'm not mistaken, this is a second album. If I'm not mistaken. If Kilogram, please correct me, guys. But yeah, it's been a while, as a release.
Yeah. That's
So
true.
seeing him releasing right now, that means it shows the nigga's still capable of doing music, wabo. So yeah, and listening to the tracks that I've listened to that album, I did dope fit. Like yeah, hold on, I don't wanna lie. So yep, that means the nigga and Leona that yeah from the previous songs, yeah. Yeah, but yeah, but yeah, this show's okay. Mr. Casino still dope. Yeah.
Do you think he's gonna get like a Summer Awards nomination in Yana, or do you think he's gonna get? Do you think he even deserves to have like a nomination in Yana? This whole Summers.
For me, not Jay in Summers, like, hey, I think in Fetu, Libitola in Fetu, Nigeria, Fetu speaks volumes in Fetu. The work that he's putting, like, I like the work that he put it, like in the previous album and the music awards about. And for me, I think what deserve now working to be nominated to any other awards working. They have a pal on TV.
Even BET.
Like, yeah, very BET. I'm not like Taboka or like the ones like here in SA or like Lena Siras. Oh, he deserves to his music to be like the Bakaba Mufe
recognition,
or like Mena, the nigga thing, and it's okay, it's dope and all that. Because it's serious. Mamela like Wabona Gunzarubuaka, the whole thing. We want the whole thing. I was thinking working that one year remixing and lyric. I was thinking working okay. About one of the single working gonna be like okay.
Utility awards and all that.
Utility awards and all that. Because it was dope and fit. Like
fit.
May his soul rest in peace, but yeah.
And I catch phrase that kneeling. Okay, let's do it like this. Yo, for that, we are losing a really good artist in fit. Yo. Yeah, but Leland, I like the fact that Madlera Lenola nominate you for a BET, which is good also. But yeah. Now Frankie, I think him coming back with an album, that's something cool. Because most artists have but testamenti a single nyana just to see whether people are still receiving them well or what. And then next thing an album. So I don't think he released singles or anything like that. He just bam, album, So and then there's this one 25K Lena released another album. For me, I feel like the only song in the Reva, like in taking Gere, because I was looking forward to ya Haile AKA, which is also a good song. I liked it. Live some fun, it's nice. I feel like Lena Hana Liting, it would be like, oh man, what you did on that verse is justice, wabo. But the one they were talking on it's Aries. I don't know whether Aries again like Morena or is the Drake.
Yeah, it's the Drake.
It's the Drake of this South African industry. So that one I liked because niggas sure this album also, but he is on this album also on Deep Waters. Vesera man, hi. Hi, I mean, Eris needs to like come down a little bit, bro. Cause that man when he spits, bro, he spits bars and fits. So I was like, shout out to that.
Mr. McLaren and say keys was as but Lena
he did the most.
He did justice for himself. Lena Zina like Kin fella no maron sorry in Jago. If the nigga didn't kill it like the other one, but I'm fit to. For me, I give up the props to
yeah.
I just started grilling. Yo, 25, you killed it as well, my G. So
plus 25 is good and fun. I don't want to lie.
Yeah,
I don't want to lie because I used to have like criticism for his music, especially the first one, like those first songs that I didn't. Before Akopanalent, Zoocci.
Yeah.
Hi, I wasn't a huge fan. Yeah. But then when Zoocci came into the picture, I got the trap jumping. Yeah. Hi, that was some like work. So
I was like trap jumping. I don't want to like.
There was
the trap jumping drag out.
This guy's good.
Sipitoli zena bakotsi ka sona man. Very tight,
to share
guys. Anke gona ga tseba re boma shwa vein, you know,
You know,
but,
man.
but anyway,
Oh, man.
yeah, the niggas in fact like listen to Jolly's in like if we do la fast listen to it, you can hear them say like niggas.
These guys are good,
like,
yeah.
Boy, they are good. So for me, that track Mzala, those three niggas who are not they killed it. Yeah. So we're not like I was thinking about we are rating and all that. Like
rating these albums.
Yeah, rating like rating that track. Who you gonna say like who killed it with the other one, like who's number one, who's on number two, who's on number three, like listening to that track.
Okay.
Yeah. Number one, and who's the number two, who's the number three? Oh, should I start?
Yeah, start. Go start.
Hey, for me, Mzal, okay. Hey, I get a number three in. Hi, for me, I don't have number three. I was saying V2. My number one is in a hi. As a young I will say it's easy.
All right.
Number two, and I'm giving them Balaba in Jack. I don't have two. I don't have number three. Jason and the club of number one Balaba was in.
Yeah.
I'm an
For number 9, Balitrine.
Yeah.
Aries kind of said a lot. So, Aries, and then, guys, forgive me. Matlega, and then 25. That'll be my 3 there. But forgive me.
Yeah, it's me.
Forgive me, guys. Can't see you when all those hardcore 25K fans and fun. So they're already there like, Zeus. The money. But yes, shout out to PT. PT, I love you. I love y'all. I love what you guys represent. I love your music. You guys are the best, Wabo.
Yeah, thank you for the support, guys.
Very much, because like
for me, I don't want to lie. Support the guys. It's tight, guys. Like
we get more viewers from PT than any other
places
in the Free State in Fiji. So I respect those
in
guys.
SA, and not in Free State, in SA.
I get a jolly because I'm from the Free State. Now I'm
general
Free State.
PTA number one.
I love those guys in Fiji. They're doing the most for us, and we're gonna keep providing that content for you guys.
So please don't stop supporting us because my nigga be fast but that's what's up.
You gotta be honest with your opinions and stuff, and put it as it is. But the upcoming album, which I am not going to be impressed with, is Emtee.
Why not men?
Feel this guy, like this nigga.
Personal,
I don't know if it. You know what? Find out he has good music, Wabo. Like Emtee, he has good music. It's just that, it feels like he's becoming lazier and lazier and lazier and lazier and lazier. Right? So every time he makes music, it feels that way. It's like, I'm gonna get those numbers. Like when somebody knows that he's gonna get really good numbers. So it doesn't matter what he puts out, he just releases it. You don't find a Drake, you can never mind, honestly, never mind. That was a disrespect to everybody. I'm a Melang Drake because we respect Drake's work. And I didn't go for now. I love Drake's work.
Yeah,
but that album, I think I only like 2 songs, because I listen to Drake. But the fact that I only like 2 songs, that says a lot in fact. That says a lot. So the thing
MG
Emtee, I feel like he has that mindset. I'm the shit, bro.
I don't give a fuck.
I don't give a fuck. I can go to podcast get high as fuck, and nobody will say shit until I can. You I'm fine that guy. I don't know. Maybe high little how much of a blessing he has on faith, because there are a lot of artists but back and like he, including myself. Back I wish we could have those type of numbers. And then we would say some really good things. They can motivating a whole bunch of people out there. But then when you're not only that whole exposure and what he talks about. Matekwani. Getting high, lean.
For me,
I don't know, man.
Hey, I think in Ghana, like before all this fame thing right now, I think Lena, the mindset it was still the same as our mindset. Like hoping or if I get this recognition, I'm gonna do something it's gonna change the world, and it's gonna change someone who wants to be like me, like Wabo. I started from the bar, So Kinahana, like these films are like yo, I am changing. Okay. Mutatu wa Matekwane Mzala will never see Mfetu. We have to blame Matekwane as such. We can't blame that. Okay.
He doesn't smoke Matekwane only, but yeah. he's fucking up his system with some other things in there.
But yeah.
Like you can see a body right. This body that's why I sell this brainy fella. You know, showing I sell work this brainy fella. So yeah, sure. But
so yeah, I'm to like fame it can destroy you sometimes if it's not the mentality of working. Fame. What is the purpose of me being in the fame?
Yeah.
So yeah, every person has to have a purpose. You're working in the game.
Yeah. So you have to have a message or something.
Like Camilo, when I'm bonging bahao, motivate yourself to be a better person. Don't let the things along go indicate or the paparazzi, the money, the girls, all that.
All the fame and all that shit.
The person that you are. So for me, I think we're going to female image. High in every podcast or every interview about Moyon. So just imagine the music video start with Yeta from this album. So yeah,
I find it.
But Simzala, when I'm going about fit as a person, you know what you want.
Yeah, that's true.
The moment you get that fame, you tell yourself, I'm not gonna be like drugs, girls. I mean, we all, I don't want to lie, we all love chicks. I want to talk the banana as a guy.
Yeah, unless you're part of the LG.
Yeah, well, but so, it happens. So, how are you gonna say, oh no, I don't want this and I want to focus on this?
But we'll see. No, not no fun. I feel like I killed my cream, my man.
DIY. Hi, get a 5 chance. Zimzala Google. Since it cut out my mela. Hi.
Logan.
Izina.
Logan, my man.
Kaka Ivar. Nikate. Kaka Ivar in the Ivar was the dopest album I'm fan now. And nearly not like Wabo, the rising star.
Yeah.
Like that type. Like Wabo. So, yeah.
We'll see. We'll see what happens.
coming after you.
Hey, Fetch, I'm gonna this album, Jaden Smith. Have you listened to it? It's called 2024. What?
What?
Yeah.
I never listened to it.
Yeah, like, but this one, get Jaden.
Yeah.
2024 story. Cause now I was listening to 2 songs that day. Dumb. Are you dumb? Are you dumb? Are you dumb? So it's a nice album, but then it's Jaden, guys. So he's very good with his words and stuff. What I can say is that at least now he has this freedom. How does he feel about all these situations? Since all the entanglement, him looking like a drug addict,
Is he talking about them like on the album?
He's saying everything, feature. So he's opening up to Ntongolong. He even said, the reason why he's been like, because how come from that movie The Pursuit of Happiness? We'll compare that little boy, innocent, that
really
nice looking boy.
From Karate Kid, from that one.
From after Karate Kid, hi, that is a total different shift from everything in a race. So he says that he blames. In fact, he was doing all those things. Kaboom.
Everything he went to kaboom.
Kaboom, because he wanted to like you know that backslap. He was trying to do that because they figured their kids would be stars. I guess they were already stars because their parents are stars. But their parents figured, but they're gonna be the best
version of us.
Yeah, of the both of us. But then Ngwenya was like, anytime I try to do something sharp, there's always a fucking scandal between Jara. Okay, sorry. Jara le Will. So he was actually like fighting against all that shit. How can you express it? He's an artist, so he has to express himself some way.
So
he was doing all those dumb shit just to express himself.
You express yourself doing like dumb shit. I've been dude, you are a person and done. You can't even to what your parents are doing.
Yeah, but in fact, this kid is different.
So now you are saying, you are saying he's blaming his father. What about the mom?
He's also blaming his mom for everything. Not like his parents. I'm saying like his parents, his father, and the schedules. Yeah, and the schedules. They surround those 2 people. Especially you know the entanglement, the red chair, the red table.
Yeah, the red table.
Father, you know that was intense. That one was intense. I don't even know what type of like artistic bang everything down. I only fat sorry. Him and my parents sat down on a table with my grandma and stuff, and they started talking about I started cheating on you with a young person.
Because of 1, 2, 3?
Because of 1, 2, 3. And that young person is almost the same level or the same
as of
generation.
Firstborn, I am fan of your wheel.
Bruh, I know it's a meme now, but look at that face in front of where you almost
cried
in front. You could see your.
I cried. Like you said, we cry.
Let's 5 rand. Pursuit of happiness.
Yeah.
I can't know 5 rand. Mr. Will, here's your 5 rand. You got the job. But in front I was like, my nigga, you gonna get that Oscar. You gonna get that Oscar, boy. Woo! But yeah, for that life, yeah, boy, I'm fit like the Smiths. That family is like really, they're experiencing it all in front of, especially in front of the world. Like we can have the same problems as those famous people. Like whatever that is happening in Kara family, there are millions of people who have the same situation. It's just that they're in closed doors.
Yeah, we don't see them like
Yeah, this guy had that situation in front of the whole world. Like, how many people are on this earth now? Like, trillion
we are made.
Hell, so you could just imagine that stress. No matter where I go in this world, but what was my wife was having an entanglement.
My mom.
My mom. My wife was having an entanglement. Everywhere he goes, whether we are Japan, they're gonna feel that
for a long time into it. As if Lena he was enjoying it to an entanglement. You can't control an entanglement. Anything from the get go.
Maybe I call it never let this connection Nyana Lentole Didi, because Didi is he's Didi. So mfana he was like, maybe haka ankam trailer rabele like distance. But then trailer like and then have like a threesome.
Because sometimes I don't want to. I don't want to say like I'm fit. We can blame it because only this time and everything that happened, the entanglement, like he was too focused to boma carrying your high. Dude, me and you, we are the same. As me, you be my wife. I'm an artist, you are an artist,
yeah.
How now don't just go working? Can focus stay more on my work? Working when you are not focused on your work. We have to make time for each other. So find out blame working. Maybe I'm the problem working because I was focused a lot on my work. Dude, whatever that you were doing, you can work in sacrifice it to make your relationship or your marriage to work. Let's not say like I don't want to say financial party, but yeah,
you can say it. Let's meet in the bar. The translator no translator.
Or like yeah, maybe I am the one to be blamed. Dude, if a person wants to cheat, Mzala is gonna cheat every day, every night, every time. So
that's true.
Don't say walking another person to be blamed.
And never go back to a person who cheated.
Why
do you go back to a person who cheated? Witchcraft. That's what I was saying on that episode. My dog guy. But who can know? What do you mean?
Man, you.
I told you. Like, there's no way. Like, there's no way you could tolerate such behavior from a woman in faith. That is like that's witchcraft straight up in faith. But hey, allegedly it's witchcraft, guys.
Yeah, blowy, kasut. We don't know it. Chogoza go. You call like you are, but yeah, man, you are not like. Personally talking about that, really on the album, like from the 2 tracks that you have listened to, we want to like
to be honest, it's good, Babo. It's good. From the two songs, it's more hip hop than any other thing.
Yeah.
So I like the fact that his hip hop roots and stuff, which is good, because the last time I actually liked what he's doing. Kana Tazama le Childish Gambino, Kana Tazama le ASAP le Tyler the Creator. So that is actually something I loved seeing.
Yeah, I know.
So yeah, we'll see. Maybe it'll totally Grammy next year or this year. Who knows?
Like I've listened to the singular he's dead. Have you listened to it?
Oh yeah. I've seen that. Yeah, Walk of Art. Yeah.
Even though I in the chorus fella, but you can hear the nigga fit to do. The chorus guys now do. I usually grata pina PCH. Yeah, that track comes like in the wanna have.
Yeah.
It was the dopest track. It's the dopest track for me, Lona Jane. But yeah, I will get the album and listen to it. Oh nah. Yeah.
Now, I always like the Icon.
Yeah.
What you call an Icon 11?
Yeah.
So yeah, man. States did fit. They have elections at this time of year,
Yeah.
So, Trump is winning the votes in fit. He might become the American president again. Fit.
Dude.
When you compare those two, it's like comparing Trump le Zuma, and then Harry C when we compare le Ramaphosa. So it's deep, bro. It's deep because now, okay, it's fine. Their idea is still ranking Trump has, and they're good, and he's very nice in the sense of like making everything work, because that mindset, yeah, business and all that. He knows how to run businesses well. Like a whole country. Right? So, whereas, when he was in office, a lot of people were complaining. Right?
Dude, so for me, as peaceful, I can't understand it when you say he's getting a lot of support from people who don't unless those people who go damn. It's fun. No one like unless they're damn jolly. Dude, they let a man on the chair.
Yeah.
Before, and shit didn't work at all.
Yeah.
The weekend,
Bamutos.
the wall, Mexico, Mexico.
We're gonna build a wall.
Yeah.
We're gonna build a wall, please.
Dude. Yeah, he built a wall. And he built a wall.
Billions and billions and billions of people. Come on, guys.
Lay the whole China, like, a war with them.
So, he's a nigga.
Dude, after all
he's
of those
nigga.
things, you are saying, come again, come back, you're going to be the president again.
Yeah.
Dude, I'm
just imagine that.
So you want to say America, you don't see Nigeria, like, they are dumb as fuck.
I've seen how dumb, like, I think there's like countries. How can rating the dumbest people in the world? America in the fun. It's like
it
and every year it keeps going up. Keeps going up.
Dude.
So, man, we'll see. Because maybe barata the policies that buankatso. Because he's good. Come on, like that guy can talk.
We're gonna build a wall.
It's gonna be high. It's gonna be good. I'm like, what the fuck, bro?
I got that you are saying the policies that gets on. He came with the policies at first.
Yeah.
And working every policies that you came with didn't work at all.
And for 5 years, tell me how people were like,
hey,
I think he did run it for twice.
Even Michelle Sweatland, my husband, no.
Computer le shit.
Dude, come on. So no,
God, this guy is not good, Joe. It's not good.
You are putting him, like, you are supporting him again to be the president of America after everything that he has done.
Bruh, I can't wait to see.
Why don't you guys learn from what he has done and say, I know Mfetwa. Let's give Meno Sibaka and see who cooking. What is she coming with?
I feel like she's very confused somehow. Because Leno told her power like just like that, babo.
Yeah.
I feel like I took like the ropes and shit.
But Mzala, for me,
do you think America, the biggest country in the world, is ready for a woman
to rule it? Dude. All the time saying we are still caught up on that thing. Working, men are dominant than women in this world that we are living in. Everywhere in the world, we are still caught up on that thing. Working. As a man, we know you have to be dominant than any other woman in this world. That's why in fact they're never gonna give that person working a that chair to become like the president of United States. Bankampa Bafa. That dumbest nigga that chair again. Happy. After every film Zalai thing, you're giving him happy that chair. King Patriot like I because I don't see what like a Patriot at all.
I mean, it's still gonna be the same thing all over again.
Thank you.
Right? But then I don't think they're ready. Born themselves, they're not ready for a woman president. That's why they're scared.
That's why everywhere we go, exactly. Men are dominant than women. And they're not able to do it. 50-50 works, like give a person an opportunity and see even though sometimes when he talks but we are 50-50. We're never gonna be like we are dominant each and every time, dude.
Honest
when I ask you, if I become educated, even a woman can be educated as well.
Yeah.
Do the same thing again, be a lawyer, be a doctor, be whatever that she wants to be. You cannot hold it against her. So why should you hold that against her? I become a president of the United States because the United States is the biggest country. Every time when we do movies, it have a higher power and say I'm a president. But actually, still a dead movie make Linto. Seth.
Yeah.
She is the president, why United States? You don't want to give a woman a chair to be a president. A movie like that in America. Dude.
Here's what I'm gonna say.
Yeah.
I still do not trust a woman can run that chair. Not because she's incompetent, not because I had the qualifications, not because of that. Ne? I just don't believe this woman is ready for that seat, in fact. That's what I'm saying. But what I get it because she's a woman. I get it because of her gender. I'm saying that woman, not that chick, that woman, Harris, not specifically, she's not ready for this one. At least I never Obama. It would have made sense. And also, America, they like this policy already. You can't become a president at a young age.
Yeah.
Right? Yeah. Like, you have to be, like, really old. That's why almost all of them are very fucking old. Right?
Trump is old on the face, and the brain is still young.
Exactly. But now I've listened to, like, a few Harris interviews, and I was
I know, like I have listened.
And I was like, okay, no, let's have a woman president, but I'll see.
I'm thinking sometimes we judge people before even listening.
But that's what we are. We are humans. We are here to judge. We are judging.
So you
have
judge,
to
you judge, but you don't give that person that you judge the opportunity to showcase herself, Mzala, or himself.
We'll give you those opportunities when when you suit those positions, when. But so here's the thing: I don't have an issue with a woman running the world. Right?
Yeah.
I don't have an issue with that. Right? But now I'm gonna make it like this. Ne? I'm not gonna say an uneducated person.
Yeah.
But a woman that does not have the specific qualities of having leadership on their shoulders in feet. And then you put that person in a position in Israel. We're talking about running the whole free world in feet. Because now, in that seat, we're not saying, because he's a man. Because we see the qualities that's ranking.
The quality
Trump has really good leadership qualities.
I like the White House. You remember
this guy is running? Yeah, this guy is running a hotel. This guy has businesses, investments. This guy has been a billionaire for how long? Mame. I love the fact that he's been a billionaire.
What's what a level in a
billionaire.
You have said it
longer
yourself.
than we have been alive.
Yeah, I know that.
That's one.
That's why I love what you have said. I'll go again. Dude, you Dima, I own the business, but who back in control dude. I
know. Hey. True.
I mean, he can't.
But people back in America, they feel like he's way, way better than Harris. Yeah, that's why the majority of the people who register to vote, Bayaka Patinyan too.
And they black.
Yeah, that's because Trump is a shit, bro. He's a nigga. Trump is a nigga. Trump is a nigga, my nigga. Yeah, Emma, it's Trump, fit. We'll see what happens in the elections and how he behaves.
May God be with you, America.
I'm fine.
Like always.
I'm fine. They might start World War III in Fana very soon.
Dude, you're unfair. Oh, but
yeah, and he's gonna do it again.
Dude, come on.
And he's gonna do it again, bro. But yeah, let's not even. Let's not even get into that. I mean, it's already November now.
Yeah.
You realize that it's November.
It's November, like.
And you know
November starting on Saturday.
Hey, fit.
It's Saturday, ne?
This Saturday, yeah. Or Friday. Oh, it's already started. Who knows?
Nobody knows.
Who knows?
Yeah.
But yeah, I mean, festive season is like very, very hectic, especially when it comes to like South African fun. Yo. I mean, the moment you realize that it's the festive season and a lot of people are traveling, and a lot of people are now starting to listen to In the Meantime. Yo, I mean, that is the time we are like, oh, Jesus Christ.
So we're
going to have more crime. Until we're going to have more people getting stabbed,
Amen.
We're going to have like churches that they are tenduang, and then there's always somebody who fucks up all those Christian believing people to accidents di bapaya karanto our roads until yo alcohol consumption ito nyolowa off the roof until so what I can say is that guys, be responsible. Be responsible. If you know you're gonna go and drink, at least so that alcohol at least your liver can absorb more, fatty and all that shit. Rather than all that alcohol fat. Well, and when you know you're gonna drive, skaba that guy out. Well,
who are you?
Hey man,
who's gonna tell these people what to do?
Yo Zeus. Yo Zeus. And a grooving guys. If you know that you didn't come with a chick and fit, and you wanna pop, stay away from other guys' chicks and all that. Because now people are sensitive out there. How say but banahaneng hae what bahagane shapo magayale nontsare mfane ke batla bona groovunda ha kopana le Zeus o tlo hitsa. When I was Zoocci, you come from home, not like the column tsa o itshela molala no wa metsi pap batla go ngwana ha haga mo ha utlwa ntwe molale mo abatsho ga ke batla vala mfana isaleng komona ngonya lena ke go ntsana le ntse o cheile wena Zeus one mistake fair. So now we already know these situations. There is a halo fit. Until every festive season, we always gotta hear ish. Somebody just stabbed somebody.
Someone got raped and all that.
Ladies, stop. Emana, you can't just go to Groove Sibu alone without money. Don't do that. If you know you don't have money to come back, don't go. Even if you want to come back, you don't have money to buy anything there. Why are you going there if you don't have money? Hey,
obvious. The person that is going to pick her there, is going to be the one who's going to take her home. And sometimes that person never takes you home. So yeah. But yeah, I'm fit. Hey, look, these guys, hey, never stop, guys. Stop hitting on girls. Go groove fit. Oh, Chalimala and Jack. Oh, Chakwalo, can't toss it. You, do you know that in fit when you get a chick on the club and fit to go home with that chick? After about my 2 round in yana, you sleep at the morning fit when you wake up, that she'd be like, give me 10K in fit.
Or else I cry rape. Oh.
And I can't come Zala, you just have 10 rand in your pocket.
Him when it got out click today, hurry, F2 370. Yes, I got 10K.
10K.
So short. I short a fool, guys.
Oh, man. And I'm gonna cry. Say rape me.
Okay. How not tell it? Fanaga watch. Watch I have 10K.
At all. Somebody say cash you 2K.
Careful. Phone I have 10K. Shit. Laptop. Inte sa have 10K.
Man, yeah.
Drop with a I shave Hallam Fana.
Network
fail. I want a new balance. Police go a new balance. It's another thing. I want a new balance at least. You was Zala, you.
Yes.
Katakopan and tone stationing when I'm on a queen.
And I'm Zalam fit, you're gonna get caught in fit. Every time, Zalwa Marie guys, when a chick says in fit, I'm raped since about one, right?
On Skimsa, I mean, lately, like even women were like, we don't believe this is what actually happened to Nzoaki. Even women that didn't watch those scenes, that what happened actually.
But for me,
they were like, nah, man, that shit didn't happen.
But then, like,
the way I behave,
I just want to know, like, why in fit to like Malawi every time in fit to women in Ugogi, they're always right when they say they have been raped. For me, if I come right now, go to the police station, like you begin to hey, my woman is beating me, or hey, she raped me, like they will be like, he's kaput away now, go home. Like why? Like every time when we know, like a chick when he comes and says, yo, Puso raped me, I know and he could go do that for now, and it can be life.
Wabana 50-50 doesn't apply when it comes to those type of vibes.
Yeah,
because now they have to give you a 50-50 treatment. Like you come in with a case or Asian fit. Nah, I didn't want to do this.
Yeah,
Moto undragile, and then we tibid it. And why?
Yeah, why is it?
And why I can hobby
You pay.
Why don't?
Yeah.
Why but that na le case batlang ho ibula mona
ngwana ngwa ya bosibu ka ofela
ngwana no ngwa ile
yo
na tse o tsetse ma ke a bona re ngwa blind
ene wa fila
ka fila ga yo ngwa a khono tsa next ke mona fe
yo
I told
yeah
ona na batlogeng o poletse ba re
yo do gonna love you
fine
yo
antse ba tsa go documentera abuta wa enjoy
like what? But yeah, for me, man, I just wanted to know, like, sometimes justice is wrong.
Exactly. That's what I'm saying. 50-50, sometimes it doesn't actually work.
It doesn't apply. I'm 50-50, but it works there. I just wanted to know, like,
on this situation, it doesn't work.
I just
because most of the time, why are you here? Like cried rape and stuff, and then there were not a lot of tests, buddy, and saying but they did test. And then they were one time, and then niggas are serving time for things they're not even. Wow. But yeah, guys. Last message, that's what we're gonna say to you guys. Okay, festive in be safe, mantel, be safe. Look after your kids, boom, look after your kids. Just because it's a festive, so just someone ke batla go tla ka 10. No, I 4. But soon to move phone the market okay. What's that? So yeah. Be safe. Be safe, guys. And look after each other. Right? Look after each other. Make sure everything is safe. And yeah, drive
safe also. Stop drinking driving, guys. For me, I just want to say, guys, yeah, be safe, Mara. Enjoy your festive.
Yeah.
There's no time. Awesome festive.
Yeah.
Festive is an awesome season. Like, guys, enjoy it, Mara. Enjoy it. Like, guys. Yeah, stop whatever that you were doing. We are drinking, and we want to show the world that we know how to drive when we are drunk, man. And hey, if you want to wire your real girlfriend and your boyfriends, man. Says, stop wiring everywhere. Guys. But when you do it with the one that you love.
Jesus, utandula.
Yeah, man.
Anyway, Emina. What's it? Fit to squat. What's a squat? Fit to just Kabza.
When's on Kabza?
Kabza. Olala bafaz. Makete yalala ngoba yeka ukuthi bawushoot. Awunamahlo. Just a
squad lo mntwana. Yo, Kabza mfethu.
Yo. Because you were talking about it.
Yeah, mfethu.
festive and having one partner fit.
One partner da. So pega manje uKabza yena. Everywhere.
Let's squad.
We just a squad.
Trending on tweet.
I don't mind. Mzala, it's Seba. How close to Seba? Hey, to Seba. But in fact, Seba in a correct manner. Don't let a person in fact to. I'm trying to put it nicely. So a good man for a person to cheat. Don't let someone in fact to take your pictures and show us all over the world. In fact, what are you doing?
I'm going to just squat it up.
It's not nice to cheat.
Didn't even know that footage was taken. I mean, yo, just a squat. Yo. I mean, 3 seconds ago, fella, ya motho a video. Man, bonan le fatshe. Mr. Small ke no na plaka mo. Mr. Small ha hlale no hlale mo. Ay, Small. Fuck man.
He says, that is not me. Sorry. Yo, that is not me.
How many pictures do we have of you online? Online.
That nigga right there.
We know how you shave here, bro. We know.
That person.
We know how you are here. We know the nose.
We know the mouth.
We know the mouth.
We know the whole head.
The head.
Oh, dude.
Perfect. Hand. I'm talking for 4K.
Double decker.
Fun.
Dude. Come on.
Saw you.
So
at least I know. Anna get cousin. Cousin. Oh, okay. Yeah. But you can't defend yourself for that. I got the Bogaswen. I was when for Nation. You give a guy about what's on and fasting auntie. For
me, Mzala, I do not tolerate cheating, Mzala. I'm not sure the cheating, Mzala, is not a great thing. And to be cheated all, it hurts him. Even you do it also. When the karma comes for
you.
Oh, you feel it, Mzala. So, I don't tolerate a person who cheats. I don't like them. You don't have to do that.
But delete the peanuts and fan.
I want them, Zala. Kabza, we love his music, Mzala. But whatever that he has done in Fetu, we know guys hang out and Fetu. We are the ones in Fetu working. We like to cheat.
So this time
Kabza we ends a
hello man.
Nakata wire. So what's it?
Allegedly.
How can don't wise in a Wakatal?
Barefoot now, man. Let's next phone.
Lawana. Pegang lalo no bani.
Mpege. Look Zoocci fanato. Kabza. Olala no mfazo msamyazi. Ona mashoni. Yes.
Yo, dude, yo, man.
This is squat. This is squat sama fun.
No matter Kabza, last
night.
I wanna Kabza. Uyenzani.
We Kabza.
So bad, yeah. Hey, he did it. They take a picture of it.
Video straight up.
Video, and we saw it.
4K. Caught in 4K, man.
Hey, so
sad.
But yeah,
you can't even explain that type of vibe. What is this? So, what's again? Let's just go to Dr. Phil. I don't want to talk to you. I don't know what Dr. Phil straight up. You see.
You see him fit.
Let's just go to Dr. Phil. Because if I try to explain to myself or I explain to you what happened there.
But in fact, I can't blame the nigga. We know fit ain't a case for caffeine. I don't say it's like a whole female like someone knitting fit to like only leveling Yamauti, Cascabamo, Packed.
But that's it.
So yeah, we call it like they caught him or like they caught him.
Yeah, they caught him.
Like
it's trending. I think it's trending today, even tomorrow, even together.
Even like they that shit, but they caught him. Like they caught him red-handed.
Straight up.
Sure.
Straight up.
Mr. Kabza, I'm afraid I love your music, but the lab, I'm final lost 10 mil.
This is squat.
Hi. But yeah,
come to a telephone.
When we go there, to the phone, we see a
this nigga.
Yo,
Atola hampen, it's a hampen in there. Young wire the last.
Go and transform. You, you know, Mzala. I've got the first one, Mzala, I've got one.
Gone. Hey, this guy in fit. Hey, Kabza, here's some advice in fit.
Are you advising him?
Yeah. He needs he needs to come to the school of hard knocks. Come this side, my boy. Born of it. Do not let any woman come inside the house. In fact, not even the house. I get a B&B da. So, when I be come through. Don't be like come through at get over Batwella with their phones and shit. Well, cheating 101. Cheating 101. But yeah, we don't endorse people who cheat. Do not cheat.
I know that feeling as well.
It hurt here, Mfana.
I know that pain.
Yo, that shit is
and Mzala, do you know when a chick Mzala post to thank God for another year? Kabza De house or Chabat get an anniversary as Limousine. Oh yeah! But yeah, it happened and it passed. I'm okay. She's okay also. Like, yeah, I'm fed. Everything is okay.
y'all moved on.
We moved on. But the felt like that thing, she didn't like to buy a head and a head around. We can't forget that past that about cheating. Like, can't.
Then take a hope no.
No one's so cool. You hear of it. I'm telling you about
go for the details.
Do you know that you get like a hater or a hole?
Just because of that. Guys, stop doing that shit. Yo. Gotta fucking everybody up.
Yeah.
Everybody up. I'm like, hey, what I realized, every person has a breakup story in faith. Everywhere in the world. So it's the norm. So guys, that was Kabza cheating, doing that. And then
became Undertaker.
Undertaker. And then Vankas ne pesa and Salmo. Wi-Fi easy. Wi-Fi lose signal like the Lukisa tower. Tower. Look at tower. Yeah, lose signal.
Yeah.
Hey. Hey, man.
Yeah. Wow, dude. And caught cheating. Red-handed. Pew.
Sleep.
But yeah,
but yeah, it's deeper than rap.
We are done, dude. We are done.
It's deeper than Amapiano.
We are done, my bro. We are done. So but we are done.
Yeah,
we are done. Hey.
It's time to go and cheat, niggas.
Zeus.
Time to go and cheat.
My brother.
Not going to no cheat. Ravaglo cheat. So it's all for the labo Mikey.
And I'm giving love another chance, Mza.
Oh yeah.
I don't want to lie. I'm giving it another chance.
Sticking to one, I'm funny. Sticking to one.
If it doesn't work, get like happy.
Ningna tweets about Kabza.
Now go about Kabza, and if it happen, it's a little bit. It's but for nothing, I'm sticking to the person that I'm with right now, and I'm okay with it.
Alright.
So I don't.
She's very lucky. She's very lucky.
Nocturne.
Please.
You was a Zulu, and I was a Zulu.
That was
a jump put out my
using
the but yeah, guys, thank you for supporting us and continuing to support us and being there for us.
And being patient also, because we took a whole week ago, fella said anything.
So for that, Nile Mabak, Bumi, was Fuba.
Yeah.
Oh, guys. So but we are back, and we are back to work, and we're gonna work, and we're gonna give you what you want. So wait.
I'm thinking of like introducing a new segment there, like rebellious segment there. If artists want us, like you guys will say if you want us or not, but rebellious segment there, kasi rappers or whoever in the location, how about review or reacted to their own song and all that, by send it through and then so if that is something you guys would love to have on the show, then tell us.
This is the first time hearing it. With this new segment.
I just thought of it right now. I thought of it right now. But
yeah.
It's been a good one. XYZ Podcast.
Yeah, guys. So we are out. From me, Tricks.
And me, yo, Zoo.
Catch you same time, same place next week. So peace out.
Peace.